Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is actinium. 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 Actinium is a chemical element with the symbol AC and the atomic number 89. It is a radioactive element that is part of the actinide series and is found in trace amounts in uranium and thorium ores. Actinium is used in some scientific and medical applications, particularly in radiation therapy. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Actinium is a chemical element that falls under the category of the actinides. Why actinium is used in example number 1. In this example, actinium is introduced and defined as a chemical element. Example number 2. Actinium is used as a neutron source in some scientific research applications. Why actinium is used in example number 2. Actinium is mentioned to describe its use as a source of neutrons in scientific experiments. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.